a day, you can elevate your T cells by like 88%. Okay. And athletes that actually eat blueberries regularly, they just walk around with a higher level of immunity to begin with. What's also interesting is that the same anthocyanin lowers inflammation. Could we prevent vision loss? Pick your own wherever you are. They are tiny but powerful.
Meet Dr. William Lee. He is recognized for exploring how our body's natural defense systems can be strengthened through what we eat and how we live.
In my book, Eat to Beat Disease, I got it right here. Check it out. If you haven't read it, I strongly recommend it. Eat to Beat Disease. It's got a lot of stuff in here about food doses and all the different kinds of foods that can activate your health defenses to fight cancer. There's whole sections about cancer-fighting foods in there.
His groundbreaking research on how food impacts health and fights diseases. As the president of the Angiogenesis Foundation, Dr. Lee has transformed the way we understand diet and its role in healing the body. The one food.
So this is a classic dilemma that is out there in the wellness world. Like, yeah, we want to get rid of inflammation, so we want to make sure our immune system isn't overactive. Well, look, inflammation is a subset of immunity. We want good, strong immunity to protect us from invaders, and we want to also lower inflammation at the same time. Blueberries can actually do that. Blueberries are blue because they contain a natural dye that is colored blue that is called anthocyanin. And anthocyanins have been found to be powerful activators of our immune system in a beneficial way. So they don't cause autoimmune disease. They actually elevate our T cells and natural killer cells. These are part of the super soldiers that make up our immune system. They just kind of like give more weapons to our immune system to defend against invading armies. And just by eating like a cup and a half of blueberries a day, you can elevate your T cells by like 88%. Okay. And athletes that actually eat blueberries regularly, they just walk around with a higher level of immunity to begin with. It's kind of a performance maintainer, not an enhancer. It's a maintainer because your immune system is also firing peak. Now, what's also interesting is that the same anthocyanin lowers inflammation.
How it protects vision.
Our nutrition can help us keep blood vessels healthy, and that's really where eating to beat vision loss is a reality.
According to the World Health Organization, people between the ages of 40 and 60 are at a higher risk of experiencing vision problems or even losing their sight entirely. Dr. William Lee, however, believes that protecting your eyes, especially the blood vessels that nourish them, is more manageable than ever before. His key advice? It all starts with your diet. By making the right food choices, you can not only preserve your vision, but actually improve it over time.
Berries. I'm using berries as a category, so you get to choose your own. All right. Strawberries, raspberries, blueberries, blackberries, lingonberries. You pick your huckleberries. Pick your own wherever you are. They are tiny but powerful because the bright colors, the blues, the reds, the oranges, are all caused by and the amazing flavors that pop out of a ripe berry is actually made with is caused by these bioactives, by polyphenols, the ellagic acid, the anthocyanins that really light up your health in all kinds of different ways. And by the way, for berries, here's something practical. Look, I'm a big believer in going to the farmer's market and buying the seasonal fresh berries. But here's the thing. You can actually get frozen berries, which are less expensive, and you can buy them in bulk and store them in your freezer, easier to deal with, okay? And they have the same bioactive value. They're picked from the field, flash frozen, and you're good. So berries, choose your own. They're all good, fresh or frozen. I'd still recommend that you go for those.
Now, you may be wondering, what makes blueberries so powerful for your eyes? Blueberries are small, but they are packed with natural compounds called anthocyanins. These are the antioxidants that give blueberries their deep blue color, but they do more than just add color. They help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can speed up aging and weaken healthy tissues. Your eyes are especially sensitive to this kind of damage because they are exposed to light every day. Sunlight, screens, pollution, and aging can all create oxidative stress inside the eyes. Over time, this stress may affect the retina, lens, and macula, which are important for clear vision. Blueberries may help by supporting the body's natural defense system. Their antioxidants help fight oxidative stress and may protect delicate eye cells from damage. But that is not all. Blueberries may also help with inflammation. Inflammation is the body's natural healing response, but when it stays active for too long, it can become harmful. Chronic inflammation may affect the blood vessels and tissues in the eyes, making them more vulnerable to problems as we age. The anti-inflammatory compounds in blueberries may help calm this process and support healthier eye tissue. This can be especially important for the retina, the part of the eye that helps process light and send visual signals to the brain. Blueberries may also support better blood flow. Good circulation helps bring oxygen and nutrients to the eyes, which is important for healthy vision and reducing eye fatigue. So, while blueberries are not a cure for eye disease, they can be a smart daily food for supporting eye health, fighting inflammation, and protecting your vision as you get older. Add them to yogurt, oatmeal, smoothies, or eat them as a simple snack. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to live your healthiest life. Until next time, stay healthy and keep thriving. And remember, this video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always speak with your healthcare professional before making major changes to your diet.